Hey guys, it's Marci from MarciRenee.com, and today we are making these delicious blueberry muffins. They are keto, so you can go ahead and make these on a Sunday and they'll last all week. So go ahead, get in the kitchen, and let's make some keto blueberry muffins. All right, let's get started on my keto blueberry muffin recipe. This is pretty much a one bowl thing. Just dump it all in and stir. So we're gonna start with 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt. You can use plain or sometimes we have vanilla, so I'll just use vanilla. And then we're gonna go ahead and crack 3 eggs into the same bowl. And then we're gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla extract, about a half a teaspoon of salt. We're gonna do half a cup of sweetener. This is Swerve that I'm using today because we were out of my sucran. And then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're gonna do 2.5 cups of almond flour. And then we're gonna do, just depends on how much lemon flavor you like. I like to do a zest of a whole entire lime, and then I'll juice the other half of it. And when you are zesting a lemon or a lime or anything of that nature, as soon as you see the white, you want to change your spots and roll the citrus over. All right, and then I just cut half of a lemon, and we're gonna go ahead and put that in and juice it. And then we are gonna go ahead and mix this all together. All right, now we are gonna dump about half a cup of blueberries in, and we are gonna very carefully fold those into the batter. All right, I have pre-greased a baking spray. I'm not gonna use liners. I absolutely hate liners. I don't know why, I just don't like using them. And then we're gonna take about 1/3 of a cup, a measuring cup, and then just carefully place it into each hole of the muffin tin. Right now we are gonna go ahead and pop these into a 325-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. All right, guys, these are done. How wonderful do these look? They are absolutely amazing. I cannot wait for you to try my keto blueberry muffin recipe. It is going to be available on MarciRenee.com, as well as this hoodie. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of comments and questions on where you can buy this. I get asked a lot when I'm out and about wearing this. So again, MarciRenee.com for the complete recipe.